Welcome to the video and a bit of a river cruise here on the rivers of Bangkok. Just jumped on off now. Gonna go and check out some temples and of course some food. So if you continue watching, it's gonna be a lot of tasty stuff. Okay, so we got the mango sticky rice here, as you can see. Really tasty. You can see the sticky rice here and of course obviously the mango. Let's try it out. So good. Okay, so we got the fantastic soup here, the tom yum soup. Once again, we're in the Chinatown, but I live in China, so I don't have to eat Chinese food all the time. Gonna try this, a lot of lemongrass and chili. And we have some amazing shrimp as well. Have it. That is hot. Totally amazing. Yeah, I love this flavor combination of like lemongrass, chili. Wow, that is totally amazing. Gotta take my time, enjoy this mess that I'm creating. Then we'll see what we can find next. Gonna have those skewers. Yeah, let's take a look at this crazy pork skewer. That's some amazing goodness. Let's have a bite. Wow, sweet, really nice. Yeah, less definitely more, or more meat is more in my case. It's totally crazy. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this huge bite here. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, finish this totally amazing meal here, and we'll see you in the next spot, see what that is. Also some beautiful views, hopefully. Maybe tonight also a bit of a night market, we'll see. But first, just check out the temples. So we got off the boat here in time to see the first temple here. Pretty crazy background here. Gonna go and explore, walk around a little bit. I think we have a lot of good stuff to see today. So we'll see. Get to see this one first and then we'll see what's next. Yes, and now we're at this first temple here. Really nice. Reminds me of actually the first time I came to Thailand almost 12 years ago in January actually. But I never get the chance actually to walk around and look at the temples, just go by the boat like earlier. Definitely recommend it to just take a break and enjoy this if you have the chance. Pretty warm now in the middle of the day. Just gonna walk around and relax a little bit, then probably take the boat over to the other side, see some more temples. But then I think it's definitely time for food, so I'm just gonna enjoy it a bit, see a bit later. Yeah, you definitely gotta be careful when you're walking here. They're very steep stairs so you don't fall. But great cardio here, and a lot of people taking photos. I don't want to be in their picture, but I'm gonna continue now and actually cross over the river and go to the next temple here. I actually ran into another person just came from and I said it was amazing. So let's see what we can find there. Before I leave, I realized I actually looked behind there and I think I was here like 12 years ago, the first time when I was here. It's crazy, it's a small world. Let's go inside and just take a look quickly. I think they're doing a bit of construction work here, but still very peaceful to see this Buddhist temples everywhere. A bit cooler inside here, it's so warm outside as well. Gotta be quiet. But now I'm gonna continue and go to the next spot. Okay, before we get on the boat, of course we need some energy. So I got this ice Americano, no calories as always. So let's go to the boat. Just two cute kittens here lying in the sun resting. That's a nice life. Nice, just get off the boat here. Just love crossing here. You get the nice breeze in the background here. Great views, but now we're gonna go inside see what we can see in this place. Yes, we crossed over the river now and now got to a nice place with a lot of food actually. I was expecting a temple and maybe it's around the corner, but I actually haven't eaten anything today and it's 3 actually. I only had actually a small Swedish saffron bun early in the morning. I met up some people at the embassy. I will show a bit in the background here. Very nice fika here with some saffron buns. Very nice. Let's have a bite. Really tasty Swedish snack. Yeah, now just walking back after that fika with the lussekatt or saffron bun as we say in Swedish. It's kind of a typical Swedish snack for Christmas. I don't typically eat that kind of stuff, but I'm gonna invite today for a friend, so I like to say yes to opportunities. You never know who you meet, and I actually met some other people that I know before that, so Now I'm just gonna go in and get changed and then continue exploring and go back to the Thai food and exploring the tourist fun stuff. So that was very tasty, but probably only like 200 calories. I've been running on fumes all day. Now I'm gonna sit down and see something, feel like pad thai or yeah, we'll see what we can find. Also some mango sticky rice, so I'm gonna try that and then continue exploring. Found a super cozy place here. A lot of people, feels a bit western, probably overpriced, but very nice to sit and relax a bit after walking all day. Probably gonna have some pad thai, so let's see when they bring it in. Oh, I think we have some food coming in here. Yeah, that looks like mine, the pork shoulder. Wow, thank you. That is looking totally incredible, that is for sure. Pork shoulder, now we're waiting for the pad thai. I think we also got the pad thai. Wow, that is looking amazing. Thank you. Let's try it out. Fantastic, so finally we got this all amazing food. We have the nice pork, as you can see here. Pork shoulder, definitely one of my favorites, really nice. And you have this fantastic sweet sauce here, you can dip it in. Let's try it. A bit sweet with some sesame, really nice. Then of course we have the pad thai here. Today having some more shrimp, a lot of good protein, good to mix it up, not have just chicken and beef and pork all the time. Let's try it. Really crunchy. Let's try a bit of the noodles here as well. I think they're really good. Pad thai is underrated. You can also add some chili, but let's try it first without here. Eggs and some tofu, really healthy. A bit more carbs and fat than I normally have, but good to get some protein from the shrimp. We also have the pork. Let's have some meat more of the pork. Wow, that is a really big piece of pork. Insane, but let's try it. Let's see before it grills down. Ooh, that's insane. I think it's maybe even honey glazed, I'm not sure. Crazy good. They get a bit messy, but let's try to add in some chili here. I like my food spicy. You can add some chili powder here if it's not spicy enough. I like to do that. Spice up your life a bit with some chili powder. We go in with some more noodles and this amazing mountain here of chili and noodles. It's crazy. That is so good. I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this in peace and then get some more energy and continue exploring, so see you then. Yeah, after that totally mind-blowingly amazing lunch, it's time to continue exploring here. We have some tuk-tuks in the background, we're gonna say that later maybe, but we have more temples to see here, so we can walk in there and explore a bit. Probably gonna take a break, not see everything today, still have like 2 more full days actually here in Bangkok. So much good food to see, so focus on eating more, but just gonna go inside and check this one out, looking very nice. Yes, and now we got in there, it's really peaceful and calm in the background. So beautiful and relaxing with these temples and the sounds of the nature and so clear skies. I'm used to China where it's a little bit different, unfortunately, quite often, but here it's clear skies and so relaxing, really beautiful. All this. Just gonna take a walk here, relax a little bit and just take in the beautiful surroundings here. I feel like a bit more kind of a relaxing vacation. I think this is a very good place to come. Bangkok has a lot of crazy stuff also in the evening. Maybe we'll see more of that in the night later, but you also have this very relaxing part. You can also take kind of boats and explore a bit. We'll see if I do the other days, but highly recommend to just come here and check it out. Just gonna take my time to see a bit later. There's so many different beautiful temples and pagodas here, like everywhere. Really love the golden roofs, and you have all these red colors and green and these ornaments on top. Really spectacular and beautiful. You can just walk around here for days or probably weeks even and checking out everything. But I think for me, I'm gonna call it a day temple-wise today here. I got 2 really beautiful ones, but I still have 2 more days, so no rush. There's no need to stress about it. I'm gonna go back, I think, and we'll see, maybe see the sunset. We'll see you it later. Wow, now the sun is setting here. Just gonna take the boat back here along the canal. You see the temple where I was earlier back here. So crazy nice. Something special with this Southeast Asia, like 27 degrees outside, humid, relaxing, nice smell outside, and you have the water nearby. So I'm just gonna take my time and enjoy this and just see you in the big city very soon. Okay, so now I'm actually in Chinatown here in Bangkok, which is pretty crazy because I live in Beijing and I lived 4 years in Shanghai and 4 years in Hong Kong, but I almost feel like more Chinese here in the background than in Beijing. It's a lot of more neon lights here than I actually see these days in Beijing. But I was on the way back and my friend told me if you want to have a cool night market, you should come to Chinatown. So, well, I listened to my friend and here I am on the way, just passing by all these cool places, temples in the background. but it's so nice to walk around here. Just gonna adapt and change the plans. So see, sure we're gonna find some food. I'm sure there's a lot of Chinese food here, but I live in China, so no need to eat Chinese food. We're gonna see if we can find some tasty Thai food. I'm sure we're gonna find something. So much cool stuff here everywhere in the background. Nice, some fresh noodles being cooked here. That is looking tasty. We have all this amazing kind of like street food going on. All these lights. Yeah, I'm sure we're gonna find a lot of tasty stuff. Maybe a bit of different street food here. I am hungry. I only had this small kind of pad thai today, and then the pork shoulder. So didn't eat anything, but walking like 10,000 steps. So definitely need to find some energy. See, we're gonna sit down. Gonna try a lot of tasty good stuff. Here we have some well-recognized food here, Cantonese. I was passing through the Hong Kong airport on the way here actually, so I had that the other day. But yeah, I can have Chinese food in China. Let's find something a bit more local. Okay, finally find some local stuff. Mango sticky rice. I've been talking about it for a while. Let's try it out. Yeah, normally you get it prepared a bit nicer. Here they make it on site, but no problem. I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy it. That is looking very tasty, that's for sure. Yeah, let's try. Okay, so we got the mango sticky rice here, as you can see. Really, really tasty. You can see the sticky rice here, and of course, obviously the mango. Let's try it out. Yeah, I don't typically eat a lot of rice in general, but it's actually one of my favorites. Getting crazy nice. You just have the very sweet, I think it's like coconut with the rice. Let's try. So good. I think it's a type of like bean sweet. Quite healthy. I mean, could be better, but it'll also be a lot worse. Then you have a lot of the mango here with a bit of condensed, I think, coconut milk on it. Really nice. Let's try it. So sweet. Nature's natural sweetness. Then you can combine them. Take a bit of a rice here with the beans. Then we get a big piece of mango here. That is looking crazy. The rice is falling down. Let's eat it before it falls off. So sweet. Yeah, nature is good. Sweet, natural sugars. Not too many artificial stuff. And I enjoy it a little bit, walk around and see. Hopefully we'll find some more meat later. I think this is too much just carbs and sugars, but very nice. So enjoy it, see you soon. That was insanely good. Now let's cross the street here and see what we can find here. So much cool stuff going on. A bit of an alley here. A lot of Chinese signs here. You can see like the Eastern China parts here. Fish, but yeah, I'm on hunt for Thai stuff, even though I'm sure there's a lot of good Chinese food here. Maybe it's my time. This looks a bit more like my cup of tea. We have some pork skewers here. Thai food. I think I'm gonna try this. This is Thai food?
Yeah.
Thai?
Yeah.
Oh, this is peanuts? I can't eat peanut. You have no peanut? I'm allergic to peanuts, so no peanut sauce, but I can try these ones. Okay, so we got the fantastic soup here, the tom yum soup. Once again, we're in the Chinatown, but I live in China, so I don't have to eat Chinese food all the time. Gonna try this. They said it's medium spicy, but let's see here. Let's try the soup here. It's hot. Wow, that is very nice. Let's try to get some pieces. Here we have a big piece of fish here. Medium. Let's try. A lot of lemongrass and chili. And we have some amazing shrimp as well. Have it. Ooh, then we have some nice noodles here, steaming hot, together with some scallops, I think, seafood. Let's try it. Totally amazing. Yeah, I love this flavor combination of like lemongrass, chili, and the cilantro. Yes, you can take it, yeah. We have a huge serving of like squid and crab, I think, actually. Looking crazy good. Let's have a bite. Whew, that is hot. Wow, that is totally amazing. Gotta take my time, enjoy this mess that I'm creating. Then we'll see what we can find next. Gonna have those skewers. That was crazy good. That's basically everything on this trip so far. But I had those skewers, but I had to make a new batch because I can't eat peanuts. So now they're ready. Here. Yes, thank you. Fantastic. So now we have the skewers here. Let's try them. Yes, we finally got those amazing skewers here, as you can see. Totally nice. And also with this background light, so nice. Yeah, let's take a look at this crazy pork skewer. That's some amazing goodness. Let's have a bite. Wow, sweet, really, really nice. I think almost kind of like a bit of a Japanese teriyaki flavor or something. I'm not sure. Sweet, very, very nice. So good. Many different cuisines you can find here in Bangkok. Yeah, gonna enjoy this. See what's up next. We can find around the corner. Wow, so crazy, relaxing and nice to walk around there. There's so much action going on in the background. I have like restaurants everywhere. I actually got stopped because people asking what I'm doing. Why am I holding a camera, vlogging? People actually ask, where should you go and visit the Bangkok? So you never know, meet a lot of cool people just walking around being crazy with the camera like this. But we'll see if I can find some more stuff. I'm actually not exactly hungry, but there's always room for some more snacks. So we'll see if there is some interesting stuff here I can find. Here in the background you can actually find some of my favorites here, the braised pork belly, Chinese one, and also the fish. But yeah, once again, I live there, so I can say that for another day. But there's so much great food on offer here. Gonna go out to the main street here again, outside, so you can find some other interesting stuff there. Let's see, in the corner here, I found some really nice gyoza, like the deep fried dumplings. A lot of oil and carbs. I had too many carbs today. If I'm gonna find something more, it's probably gonna be more meat. So crazy nice, all these lights in the background. Reminds me also a bit of Seoul and of course Hong Kong when I lived there. So beautiful and inspiring to just walk around here. Let's see what's up next. Okay, I'm not sure what we're gonna get to. We'll find some nice pork stuff in the background here. Pork salad. I normally don't eat so much pork, but it's very nicely prepared here in Thailand. Normally I have like chicken or beef or a lot of eggs actually. But now I'm going crazy mixing it up. So you're gonna see I tried to have the chicken actually less fat, but they didn't have it. So we'll see, just gonna go with the flow. See what the lady comes out with. I think this is the pork we're working with. Oh, yes, that seems to be the pork. I made some nice lime and onions here. A lot of good spices. A lot of good stuff here. Chili and maybe some sugar, but that's fine. Pork on your vacation, it's okay. Here. Fantastic, we got it here. Amazing, so we got the food here. And we got some pretty crazy background, of course. With this, I'm gonna sit down and enjoy it a bit here in the background. It's gonna be very amazing. Just sitting down here on the street, totally amazing. Just take a look at all this amazing goodness. Hello, wanna be featured in the movie? Okay, so it's time to enjoy this amazing. As you can see, the lady prepared the pork fantastically. So let's dig in with this fantastic background. Have some of this totally amazing pork here. Let's take a look. That is crazy. Just pure goodness here. You have pork, onion, a bit of cilantro, chives. Doesn't really get better than this. Let's enjoy it. Yeah, less definitely more, or more meat is more in my case. It's totally crazy. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this huge bite here. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, finish this totally amazing meal here, and we'll see you in the next spot, see what that is. Okay, after that totally incredible meal, it's time for me to call it an evening here. I'm sure a lot of people are gonna be out late and do crazy stuff, but I'm gonna go home, rest, and we have a lot of exploration to do tomorrow as well. I'm just gonna leave you guys with all these fantastic neon lights in the background. I'm gonna jump in a taxi and rest a bit. But if you wanna see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.